Okay, welcome to my trade recap. Um, for any of y'all wondering what I got on here, I don't know the word in English. My white tooth, my whitening tooth, the tooth in the back of my mouth, they got pulled out, all four of them. And yes, I had the surgery, and it's all swollen, and I have to cool it. But I'm back on track. Took a trade yesterday, and I want to do it like that in the future. I'm gonna go on replay modus. I'm gonna just let it flow, and I'm telling all y'all what I was thinking during that. First of all, coming into the market, my bias was bullish. Asian session high, previous day high. We had a fair value gap, which we were obviously respecting. Should have listened to that because market opened. Bam, was sind wir denn hier? Ich muss gerade checken. Exactly so. Zack, zack. 15-minute or low. 15-minute or high. So this was my opening range. Well, the thing is, if we had broken out bullish out of my opening range, my liquidity, well, my target would have already been like I don't know, a few ticks. I would not have taken this trade if we, well, I shouldn't have traded today, to tomorrow, to yesterday. I mean yesterday, because bias was bullish. Bullish means I wanted to see a breakout, a bullish breakout out of this 15-minute op range. But then my risk to reward wouldn't make any sense because my stop loss is always the opposite of the opening range. So it would have been here. Let's say, for example, this is my entry. My stop loss would have been here. That's my rule, and I would not have gotten a good risk to reward. That's why I should not have taken this trade yesterday. But since we broke out bearish out of this range, I thought there um, maybe we gonna come and sweep this previous day low. We had change of character here. This was our break of structure. So this turns out to be a market structure shift. Bearish on the 5-min. I entered around here. We came up. Exactly. I entered here. My stop loss was right above this New York high. Take profit was right there. I would have taken partial profits around here, and I would have set my stop loss to break even around there. But market has had other plans because we came down, swept liquidity, and we pulled back up right around here. Exactly so. I thought maybe I could get out of this trade at break even. We formed an SMT on the ES. I can't show it because I think my screen recording will stop, but like the SMT swept New York high and Q didn't. and I thought maybe we would come down back again and do whatever. So I started um, chasing the market down with my stop loss after we got exactly. So we swept New York high here. What was my genau? This move was like my confidence to scale down with my stop loss. I did until around, yes. So my stop loss was previous stop loss was here, but I did scale it down until this value gap around here, I think. Yes, okay, and now it came back up. I got stopped out, but with only half the risk um, I usually take. So this trade wasn't too bad. I minimized my loss, but it's not a rule for me to trade with my bias, but it would make sense, especially on a time frame that looked like this, because like everything speaks bullish, and as you can see, it continues to, yes, to go bullish. Yeah. Well, well. Very slow in English, but the main problem I had on this trade was trading against my bias. Yes, I think if I had stick to my bias, I never had taken any trade, and that would prevent me from this loss. So yes.